As winter descends upon the Rocky Mountains of northwestern Montana, western larch drop their needles and hunker down against the cold. The middle fork of the Flathead River quietly retreats under a blanket of white, waiting for the return of spring. Following its course, a pair of steel rails resonate with the drumming of big diesel engines and multitudes of steel wheels in the never-ending cadence of a transcontinental railroad. This is winter on Marias Pass. Seven Idea Productions takes you on a winter journey along this spectacular mountain railroad that skirts the southern boundary of Glacier National Park. From Whitefish, Montana, travel east along BNSF's Highline subdivision as trains traverse the icy canyons along the Flathead River. The Isaac Walton Inn is a popular landmark at Essex. The small yard here serves as a base where the annual battle against snow is waged. Vintage Great Northern snow dozers are called into action to keep the line clear. Avalanches are a constant hazard, and we will take you into the heart of the Snowshed District as trains battle a 1.8% grade to the Continental Divide. Bundle up and grab your snowshoes as 7 Idea Productions presents Winter on Marias Pass.